we got this 2015 GMC with an LML. It's actually getting an engine replacement. We suspect a broken crankshaft, but I got it apart. This truck has right around 150,000 miles, and we want to talk about EGR because it's a good thing. Except, you know, on a 150,000 mile truck, this is all so good. Actually, you can see in the intake plenums that it is chunks of carbon falling off, going into the engine. This is a pretty good example of what an EGR system will do. Is an EGR system killing your modern diesel? Yeah, absolutely. It is. But we can't do anything about it for now. So just wanted to show you that.